Udi, welcome to our broadcast on myprintresource.com.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
We're pleased that you took the time out to stop by and say hello.
Yeah, absolutely. It's another Graph Expo, right?
It's another Graph Expo, right?
Nice time of the year.
EFI is really growing leaps and bounds, and you have a new workflow software system. Tell us how that's come about.
That's very true what you're saying. EFI is doing well, and we are happy and proud about it, of course.
Right.
And as Guy Gert all the time says, it's all about being innovative and about products, about efficiencies, about bringing values.
That's right.
And we try to do it in all our products. As you know, EFI has many products. I'm not going to list them here, but EFI has
how does this new system differ from other products out there?
What you asked me about is the automatic workflow solution that EFI has now. And it's already working. It started a few years ago, but takes a lot of work to create something like this. It's a very unique product, and you can see it now at the show, of course.
Right.
We already have customers that started using it, and it's a reality already. It was a dream of EFI and a personal dream of mine for many, many years, and now it's here.
EFI has just been presented a nice award on the Must-See-Ems for this Graph Expo show on the print workflow.
Yes. So
tell us about it.
Yeah. First of all, EFI received 5 awards, which is, I think, the most of any company. I'm not sure, but I think so. So that's very nice. One of them is the product that I'm responsible, and actually my baby from the beginning, before the workflow. It's the PrintFlow dynamic scheduling. And this time, PrintFlow, we have brought a new version of PrintFlow that includes also optimization of employees and tools that you need in the workflow. So until now, PrintFlow used to optimize, and PrintFlow is very well known in the printing industry, in the scheduling area. And PrintFlow did not schedule people or employees, and did not schedule tools that you need. Like maybe in the packaging, you need cylinders in the press, so you need dies during the process, or inkjet heads. And employees, of course, need, and nowadays, employees, to schedule employees might be more important than the equipment.
Certainly.
Because people don't have enough employees to deploy, to all the equipment, so they need to optimize the employees first, maybe. Anyhow, it was a dream of ours for many years, and finally we bought a version that include tools optimization, employee optimization within the global optimization. So PrintFlow now, for the first time, I think it's the only product that does it, that optimize from a global view the whole company, including employees and tools. And it's all based on the TGO theory of global optimization that myself and team in our company have developed over the years. So it's all come together. And actually, this product is also the heart and big part of our automatic workflow.
EFI had so many new products at Drupa. How have they been actually received at Graph Expo? Has there been any real major change that you can see or perceive of amongst attendees that say, oh, I like this at Drupa, but I like this better at, or is that pretty evenly balanced?
No, I think that, you know, the interest of the European and the interest of Americans is pretty similar. I don't think that there is a huge difference. I visit a lot of customers of ours in Europe and, of course, in the United States. And they're basically the same. They all want to make more money, to be successful. And the way to do it nowadays is with efficiencies. So it doesn't matter what product you're taking that EFI offers. We are all trying to make our products more efficient and to give benefits to our customers because they have to make more money, they have to be successful. Without them, we'll not be successful, right?
That's absolutely right.
We do whatever we can to make each one of our product groups, if it's inkjet or Fiery or
sure.
our software, we try to make it as efficient and as unique as possible.
Looking back over your years in the print business now, did you ever think that there would be so much emphasis on digital and technology and the need for computer experts in the field?
So you asked the wrong person this question. I'll tell you why. Because as you know, I came from Israel, and I was already aware of companies like Cytex and Indigo, and that's when I started originally. And I knew that the industry is going to go digital. Actually, I was surprised that it took so many years. I actually thought it will be, if you would have asked me a long time ago, I would have said that what we are seeing now, we should have seen 10 years ago, at least. But 10 years. So to me, it's not a surprise, but I'm very happy because I think that's where the industry should go. The same as Cytex actually totally revolutionized the print industry in the prepress area. And then Indigo came and started with the digital print and revolutionized the print industry. I think that, of course, EFI is in exactly the same road and trying to revolutionize the printing industry, not just trying, doing, revolutionize the print industry also in the digital area, because that's where the industry is going. It's not a question anymore if everything will be digital, the question is when everything will be digital. So soon everything will be digital, and how many years, I don't know exactly, but we're going to see a lot of hybrid companies.
And then more technology.
And more technology, and technology
Absolutely.
will drive all of it.
No question about it. Is there some other area or factor within the printing industry besides digital, let's say, that will make the printing industry much more progressive and better?
Absolutely. It's a very good question, and I want you to understand that it's like a puzzle, and one element cannot solve the puzzle. You need all the pieces of the puzzle to solve the puzzle to get the full picture, right? And the same is in the printing industry. So yes, we need digital presses. Yes, we need digital processes. But to really bring efficiencies and success to the printing industry, and that's the most important thing, we want to preserve the industry and to make it better and stronger. That's where the automatic workflows comes about, because really what they do, and integration, and JDF, we bring all of the things together, JDF, all our products, to work together as one total workflow from the customer till the printing, including all the products that EFI has. And not only that we bring it and integrate it all, but together with PrimFlow, PrimFlow is like the brain of the workflow that synchronize and optimize the whole manufacturing process. So we take out most of the touch points from the workflow. We take a lot of employees out of the workflow, so the company can manufacture, especially digital work, very fast, very efficient, with very few touch points, without any mistakes, and at the time that the customer asks for, and the price that the customer wants to, and still make money. So that's the most important thing, that at the end of the day, the company has to make money to survive. And like this, we are going to strengthen the print industry, and all of us are going to enjoy it and to have an industry for many more years to come.
So it's defining the progress and the progression of the system itself is what you're doing at EFI.
Yeah, absolutely. And we are trying to bring, as I said many times before, we're trying to build automation, intelligent software, so the software makes decisions for you. You don't have to make all the decisions.
Right.
The whole idea is there is no way anymore that you can run a digital job fast for a company and do it the old way. The old workflows don't work anymore. You need new workflow. They have to be automatic. They have to be smart so they can make decisions for you. They have to be as automatic as possible without a lot of people. And that's how you can bring efficiencies, saving, cut costs, and improve profits for many companies.
Well said. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you for inviting me.
Good. Muchas gracias.